To turn on voice control on iPhone 16, first you will have to open settings, then start scrolling for accessibility, and right here you can find it. It's located here, the voice control, so we can tap on it. And before you start using this, I can recommend you to take a look for some options like set the language, get some base commands like the base navigation. You will have to actually get used to it, learn how you can use your voice commands, and below you can also set some other options like feedback, overlay, attention aware. So to turn it on, we have to click to set up the voice control, and we have to pick the language, click the continue, click done. And now, as you can see, let's try it. Go back, go back, go home, open up library. As you can see, it works pretty fine. And to turn it off, you can just click here and simply get rid of it. Okay, if it's not working that way for some reason, then we have to go back into the settings and simply go into the voice control and switch it off. And that will be all. Thanks for watching.